Hello and welcome to the Awareness Online Learning for Safe Handling and Mobility, the module on lifts and slings. This is a series of discussions and training on both lifts and slings. We will be reviewing various types of lifts today. This is for review only and not intended to replace hands-on training with specific lifting devices. The types of lifts that are used within our sectors are floor, ceiling, sit to stand, and gantry. The first lift that we will be reviewing is the floor lift. It is one of the most commonly used lifts and is often the backup when a ceiling lift is not available. Some of the features include remote or crank, carry bar strap, an emergency stop lower, and reset. This lift offers flexibility in use because of its mobility and does not require a track system to operate. It can be used to get someone up who has fallen on the floor. The ceiling lift is preferred because it is available where needed, for example, over the bed or in the bathroom, and it is not physically demanding to use. The number of units has increased over the years. The ceiling has some of the same standard features as the floor lift. It is important to remember to place it back on the charging port when you're finished using it. The gantry lift offers similar function as a ceiling lift and is utilized when the ceiling structure cannot support installation of a ceiling lift. These are seen most often in community settings as an alternative to the floor lift. Sit to stand can be used to assist mobility resident clients when they are unable to transition from a sitting position to a standing position on their own. To use this lift, resident clients must be able to sit independently on the side of the bed, must be able to follow directions consistently, must be able to weight bear, and must be able to pull themselves up using the lift. This lift requires assistance from 2 people at all times. Slings are a key component when using a lift. The sling is what holds the resident client and connects to the lift. Slings come in many shapes and fabrics and are designed for different support levels and uses. We will be discussing the following sling types: hammock, universal, comfort, and hygienic. We will also be mentioning the turning sling. Hammock sling, also referred to as the full body sling. This fully envelops the resident client, where the entire body is supported within the sling, including the head, and it is best used with resident clients who have limited body strength. Universal sling. This is the most commonly used sling, can be used for most transfer types, and can be easily removed given its design. The comfort sling. Similar to the hammock sling in its design, it envelops the resident client, but is constructed from material that lessens shearing and potential skin breakdown. Therefore, this is commonly left under the resident client. These slings are also becoming more popular. When slings are being replaced by organizations, they are often choosing the comfort sling. Hygienic toileting sling is specifically designed for toileting and peri-care. These slings require a high degree of strength and torso control, as there is less support offered by the sling. They are used less frequently as the current population does not meet the criteria for the safe use of this sling. Therefore, many organizations have removed these slings from service. Turning slings are used to turn resident clients in bed, as well as maintain sideline position. Band slings are ideal for holding limbs in position to allow care. To be completed by staff each and every time a sling is used. Lay the sling out on a flat surface so that all areas of the sling are visible. Check the stitching of the sling and look for any fraying or loose stitching. Check the body of the sling for any rips or holes, and check all loops at their connection or stress points. Remember, if there is any concern regarding using the sling, take it out of service. Check with your organization on its removal from service procedures. A sling inspection program is required. Each sling should be inspected formally on a monthly basis, and results should be documented. This brings us to the end of the Online Learning, Safe Handling and Mobility module on lifts and slings. Please click below to continue on to a quiz to receive your certificate. Thank you.